It's high time you know where you are going. But to know where you are going, you have to know where you are coming from. It's not enough to set out on a journey not knowing where you want to go. And worst of it all, not knowing where you are coming from. It's high time you shake off every dust of defeat off your feet. It's high time you take a second look at those things that have become a barrier in your path. I think it's time you remove the garment of disappointment and discouragement. It's high time you look boldly into your past. Are the memories inspiring you? Are they moving you forward or dragging you backward? You can't change the past. You can't change the situation. You definitely can't change where you are coming from. But you can change where you are going. But whether you get to your destination will depend on how much you are able to conquer your handicaps. It will depend on how much you are able to go beyond your limitations. It will to a great extent depend on how much conviction you have. Because your conviction will give you the right mental attitude. You must know without any shade of doubt where you are aiming at. You must see your destination every day. It must become real to you. It must become your now. Two very important things you must have in mind: what you see and how you see yourself. It's not about where you are today. It's not about what you are going through. It's not about who is against you. It's obviously not about what you have or don't have. It's not about who like or doesn't like you. It's certainly not about people trusting or believing in you. You got to first of all trust and believe in yourself. Believe in your own ability. Believe in the potentials you have been endowed with. When you believe and trust in yourself, you are trusting in the same wisdom that created you. When you are open and waiting on people to trust and believe in you, when you fail to trust and believe in yourself, you are denying your own divinity and therefore attracting the opposite of your source. And again, it's not about your adversary, because the greatest and the worst adversary you will ever have is you. The power to deal with you, you will never going to find elsewhere except in you. So it's not about where you are trying to go, but the $1 million question is, are you willing to do what it takes to get there? When you make that decision, hell will be let loose against you. Are you ready to defy all odds to pursue that dream? When you come face to face with the raging storm, will you summon the courage to fly high above the storm? Will you still be persistent when the waves and tides rise so high that you cannot see the other side? It is important to note here that when you take this step in pursuit of your dream, strange things may happen. The people you love and care about may not want to go with you. Your friends will desert you. People will call you different kinds of names. You'll be despised by people because you don't think like them. You don't act like them. They may not even like you because you don't talk like them. You will face opposition from people just because they don't see what you see. But to get to your destination, you have to continue to steer your boat in the midst of troubled waters to get to your destination. You need to have courage. See, courage is not the absence of fear or trouble. But in the midst of fears and troubles, it is a willingness to move on. The reality is your target in life will determine your direction. Your direction will certainly determine your association. Only the bottom is crowded. It's lonely at the top. Life is about choices. You can choose to follow the crowd and remain mediocre. Your destiny is in your own hands and no one else. What are you willing to let go today to get to what you desire tomorrow? What are you willing to do today to be the man or woman you were born to be? Life was not designed to give you what you need. Life was designed to give you what you deserve. I dare you today to take that step, make that change, start that business, take that course, whatever dream you have, go ahead and do it. Stop procrastinating. You have talked about it long enough. It's time to wake up and do something. Take a baby step day after day. It's not about how big you start. It's about being consistent, taking that little step day by day while you keep your focus on your goal. You might fail the first time. Get back at it. Failure is nothing but success in the making. Every successful people today, they failed on their way up, but they were never identified with failure. Remember the old saying that winners don't quit and quitters don't win. You are a natural born winner. You were born to win and to reign over life circumstances. No situation is insurmountable. You have got to understand that your success is not all about you. It's not just about arriving your destination. It's far more than that. You have been living a lie, believing your life is what it is now. On the contrary, you were created and sent here on a mission. So you got to recognize the fact that staying where you are today is depriving someone the privilege of listening to your song, dancing to your music, watching your movies, reading your books, admiring your painting, enjoying your laughter. You are depriving God knows how many people the opportunity of eating the fruit you came to produce. Whatever has kept you down is not about to stop and will not stop until you take the first step towards your goal. Remember, you can't stay where you are and go where you want to go. As you embark on this journey, I want you to know that to get to the pinnacle, you must be obsessed. Remember, change will not come because you are interested. Change will only come because